Hi, this is Nick from Lipscomb Fiat. I'm just going to show you around this brand new 2021 Fiat 500 Sport. It's the latest version. So as you can see, it's finished in the matte grey. It's a very attractive finish for the car. It's got the alloy wheel upgrade to 17-inch wheels. It's got the latest sport badge there. And matte grey door mirrors. And the Sport now comes with a glass panoramic roof. Let's take a look inside. So here's the latest trim. It's got the 500 logo in the back of the seat there. And these are sport seats with the red stitching, very attractive looking. You've got the grey contrast dash there. You've also got climate control. You've got 7-inch touchscreen radio, which comes with navigation as standard, and Apple CarPlay. The car also comes with auto lights and wipers. There's the sunroof, just so you can see that. Very attractive looking car. So I'll just show you around the rest of the car now. It's got the lower deep rear spoiler on the bumper there. Reverse parking sensors are standard. This is the hybrid version as identified by the badge. In the boot you've got the 50-50 split rear seat with rear headrests. So the matte finish does really suit the car. Got the deep side spoilers there on the side. And round the front here we have front fog lights with the front deep spoiler there as well. Attractive looking car. This car is in stock, available for immediate delivery.